Hi, students. Here is a short video on how to work through Canvas. So remember that most of the work is on Canvas because of the pandemic. So you need to use your soft skill of time management and do a little every day. You don't wait for me in a Zoom class to give you an assignment. You need to do the work on your own. So when you log on, you go to our class, which is right here. We log on to our class. This is our home page. There is a lot of information here, including the EL Civics student guide, which is, or not the EL Civics rather, but the ESL, student guide, which has a lot of good information, including parts of speech. But today, let's look at the Zoom module. Okay, we'll put this in student view. Now, I will post every week this module. Okay, you can also find the modules on the left side of your page in the menu. But you can see that it's getting close to finishing, so you need to get to work. So if you look at it, it looks like a lot, but I break it down. So each piece you can spend a little time on, but you need to do a little every day. This week there are 13 sections. Now, the first one starts with the discussion, and with the discussions, you post, but you also need to reply to other people's posts. This is a conversation. So you want to, after you post, come back the next day, read your student classmates' posts, respond at least to one, respond to at least one of your classmates' posts. And you get to know your classmates that way. Try to read as many as you can, even if you only respond to one or two. You can respond to as many as you like, but you get to know your classmates, and also sometimes you might read things that are very helpful. So after you're finished with this section, you go to next. And this week I have information about me and my education and work background. And then there's an important section about this class to read, how to be successful in this class, how to learn. So please read these carefully. And when you go to next, you can take a quiz. First you click take quiz, you take the quiz, and then you click submit quiz. And it just to follow up to make sure you paid attention and read. Now here's a survey. This survey is for me to help for me to know more about you and what you want to learn and what areas are hard or difficult for you, so I can help you learn English. So you click take survey, then you answer the questions and submit quiz or submit survey. Okay? Now, overview of module. Every week I will give you a general overview summary of what you will learn. And we'll start with a discussion. So again, this is a conversation. You post, but you also respond to people. And when you go to the bottom, we have some listening here. You click here to listen. You can listen to this as many times as you like, but when you take the quiz, you can take it unlimited, but it will record your higher score. So if you're struggling, oh, I got that wrong. What happened? Go back, listen again, take the quiz again to see what you missed. The system will record your highest score. So again, you can listen to this as many times as you need and practice the quiz. For those of you who struggle with listening skills or just want to improve your listening skills, this is a great exercise, and it's also required. You must do it. Now, here's some information about soft skills or transferable skills. You read that, and then you submit an assignment to write about your soft skills and give an example. I have a strong work ethic. I always take the time to do a task correctly. That's an example. Submit the assignment, type, then submit. And then we go on to technical skills. And here's information about technical skills or hard skills. And then again, you need to submit an assignment to write about what hard skills you have. And here's a video about 15 difficult words in English to pronounce, to say. This is a good video to watch, to listen and repeat. And then the last thing, normally we have one or two discussions, but because we also had an introductory discussion, getting to know you, talking about colors and feelings and inspiration, that we have more this week. But normally we have 1 to 2 discussions. This is the last one of this module. And you want to, in your post, write the words that are difficult for you to say. Not the words in the video, because you already have examples of that. I'd like you to think of additional words. What other words do you hear on TV or on the radio or waiting in line at the store that are hard to say? Then you write them down and respond to your classmates. I will make a recording of every word you list and provide it to you so that you can hear the pronunciation. Okay, so that's it. Please get started, do a little play, because the module ends in a few days at midnight on Monday. Alrighty? Or actually midnight on Sunday, I should say, the 7th. Okay, so here we are, and good luck to you. Let me know if you have any questions.